What's up, everyone? Garrett here from Code the Web, and welcome back to another Web Design Trends 2016 video. Today, we're going to be talking about animations in web design, and we're going to be showing you guys 5 examples of websites that do a phenomenal job with animation, and talking about why it's really good, why it works, why maybe it doesn't work, things like that. Before we do go into the video, however, I would like to remind everyone, or let you guys know if you didn't know already, that I did start a new YouTube channel. It's called Mogulvate. Basically, I talk about entrepreneurship and self-improvement, leadership, things like that. And it's basically my journey through learning about entrepreneurship, similar to how Code the Web is my journey through learning about web design. So if you guys think you'd be interested in that or something, whatever, go check it out. Link will be in the description. All right, cool. Let's get back to this video. So this first website I have for you guys, it's called Aquatilis TV. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I'm sorry if I didn't, but I'm going to reload the page here, and I want to show you guys, I believe there was a loading animation right here. And then also once it loads, it brings up this, well, this is really just a video, but if you guys see the text right there, the text is kind of animating through, it's cycling through. And then also, I also wanted to show you guys this, the navigation. If you click on that little hamburger menu thing, which now kind of means, animation, it actually gets bigger, it expands a little bit. If you click on it, the menu slides down, but not only that, the hamburger menu icon changes into like an X, and if you click on it, it removes that, and then it makes it back into a hamburger menu type thing. Also, what's really cool is that as we scroll through here, there are some animations happening. For example, you can see there's a parallax thing there. That's really just a video there. Some things as they load, they'll pop up like those right here. If you guys saw the 7,345 number and the 80% number, they kind of, were animated in how they showed up. But then also if you look down here, it's kind of like a timeline type thing, and it kind of shows you how far through the website experience you are, and that is animated as we scroll through. That's actually moving along with where we are. All right, next, I'm going to reload all these pages so you guys can see, because some of them do have like intro or like loading animations, like that one right there. If you guys saw that, I'll actually refresh that one again because it was pretty cool. So the text is sliding out right in here, and then this, like, I kind of feel like it looks like a transformer or like a monster type thing, but whatever this is in the background is kind of being animated and moving around. And then as we scroll down, if you can see that right there, that animation, it's not as smooth as maybe I think it should be, but it's pretty cool. All right, again, let's refresh this. This one I think was particularly cool. That loading animation right there I think is really awesome. And then, actually this didn't happen for the last time I loaded it, but we're going to hit X. And as we scroll down, you can see all these animations that go away as we scroll back up and down, and they come in as we scroll down. So that's pretty cool. So this is really awesome because these animations here are totally dependent on like where you are on your scrolling. Not necessarily like once you scroll to that point, they'll stay there. Like they will go away after you scroll away or back up. So I thought that was pretty cool. And this one actually had a really awesome intro or loading animation. Now, personally, I don't like loading animations because I think once the page loads, the content should just be there. But that was pretty cool. And actually, if you look, you have the smoke here. As I move my mouse around, the buildings kind of move. So I thought that was really, really cool. And even as we scroll down, things like the way that things load and the way that things are brought into the page, I think is really awesome. And this isn't, of course, the first website to do this. I mean, there's a lot of websites that do this. I just thought this was really cool how they did it, and I thought it was a pretty good example to show you guys this type of animation. And then this one is actually the Google I/O website, and we looked at this yesterday, or was it yesterday or was it the other day? It might have been the first video, the material design video. But basically, when you mouse over this I/O thing right here, and you hover over the letters, the colors will move around, and I thought that was really, really awesome. All right, so animations, they are pretty awesome. I think animations do a really good job of allowing things to not feel glitchy or not feel slow. If you think maybe about your phone, when you're using your iPhone or your Android phone, like I have an Android tablet and I have an iPhone as my phone, right? And on my iPhone, there's a transition animation for everything, right? So when I open up a new app, when I close an app, when I do things within apps, there's always an animation that makes it feel as if it's very smooth. Animations are really, really good for transitioning. Now, of course, this right here is not really a transition, right? But on this one, for example, clicking on that animation of that smooth slide down for the navigation bar makes it feel a lot smoother. And so I think that's really important when you design websites. If you guys can add animations like that, do it. Now, don't overdo it. I mean, I don't think any of these websites here really overdid it. I mean, arguably, this one might have come the closest to overdoing it because literally everything on the page here is an animation. And so that's kind of a lot. But I don't think they really overdid it for the most part. And again, I think something that's really important to remember within web design, and I guess in life in general, is everything in moderation. Don't, like, too much of anything is bad, right? So too much animation is definitely going to be bad. Don't have too much, but if you have a little bit here and there, that's good. All of these websites did a phenomenal job of showing animation and utilizing animations to transition from one state to another. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, definitely subscribe and share. Again, all links to these websites will be in the description if you actually yourself want to check them out. And again, don't forget to check out my new channel. It's called Mogulvate. Links also in the description for that. Basically, just a new channel talking about entrepreneurship and things like that. All right? I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Peace.